Hey there, web developers. Today I'm diving into why Svelte is a game changer for us. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, you've probably heard of frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue. But let me tell you, Svelte is shaking things up in a big way. So, what is Svelte? At its core, Svelte is a tool for building web applications. Like other UI frameworks, it lets you build your app using components that combine markup, styles, and behavior. But here's the kicker. Svelte takes a radically different approach. Most frameworks do their heavy lifting in the browser, but Svelte shifts that workload to compile time. What does that mean for you? In short, Svelte compiles your components into highly efficient imperative code that directly manipulates the DOM. This results in tiny, lightning-fast bundles that eliminate the overhead traditionally associated with UI frameworks. Imagine this: no virtual DOM dipping, no framework runtime, just pure optimized JavaScript. This means faster load times and a smoother user experience. And who doesn't want that? But wait, there's more. Svelte isn't just about performance. It's also about simplicity and ease of use. The syntax is intuitive, making your code easier to write and maintain. You can create components with just a single .svelte file, which includes your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No more jumping between files, everything's right there in one place. Now let's talk about Svelte Kit. If you're looking to build a full-featured app, Svelte Kit is your go-to framework. It's built on top of Svelte and offers a powerful, flexible way to create web applications. With features like server-side rendering, file-based routing, and easy deployment options, Svelte Kit makes it a breeze to get your app up and running quickly. And the community? It's growing every day. You'll find plenty of resources, tutorials, and plugins to help you along the way. Plus, Svelte's official documentation is top-notch, so you'll never feel lost. So, if you're ready to boost your productivity, improve your app's performance, and simplify your development process, give Svelte a try. Trust me, once you experience the Svelte magic, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. That's it for today's overview. Stay tuned for more videos in this playlist where I'll dive deeper into Svelte and Svelte Kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy coding.